So now children, we will see about agriculture. So page number 54, agriculture in Brazil. In Brazil, agriculture is the main occupation of the people living in the highlands and the coastal areas. Favorable climate and topography make it possible for a growing a variety of crops. Rice and maize are the main cereal crops. Production of maize is largely concentrated in the central part. Commercial crops like coffee, cocoa, rubber, soybean, and sugarcane are cultivated on a large scale. Brazil is the largest exporter of coffee and soybean in the world. The major states growing coffee are Minas Gerais and Sao Paulo. Besides these crops, production of fruits like banana, pineapple, oranges, and other citrus fruits is also done. Cattle, sheep, and goats are also reared in the savanna grassland in the south. Consequently, meat and dairy products are produced on a large scale. Understood? So, this is about agriculture which is done on a large scale in Brazil. So, figure 8.3 you can see very clearly, it is given in your map. This map is very important. So, index is also given, various crops is also given, minerals is also given there. Now, on the basis of this map, various question answers are also given. So, related to agriculture, in your previous page number 53, it is given. In which part of Brazil is the coffee mainly produced? So, the answer will be southeastern part. Understood? The question which is related to agriculture is given in page number 53. So, if you will turn page number 53, you will see right side the question is given. In which part of Brazil is the coffee mainly produced? So, the answer will be southeastern part. Southeastern part, you know the direction, southeastern part. Mainly the coffee is produced. Understood? Now, second question, which food crops are mainly grown in Brazil? Rice and corn. I think you have done in your copies also, or in your first test I have given this. Which food crops are mainly grown in Brazil? Rice and corn. Understood? Next question, can you relate the production of these crops with the climate there? Yes. So, if the climate is favorable, then the production of these crops will be easy. Understood? So, for agriculture, already we know that for agriculture, favorable climatic conditions should be there. Next question, where are the rubber plantations concentrated? So, rubber plantation, if you will concentrate on the figure 8.3, you can find the rubber plantations are concentrated mainly in the northwest part of Amazon River Basin area. Northwest part of Amazon River Basin area. So, you can see on the top Amazon River, page number 54, rubber plantation is done there. Understood? So, this is about your agriculture. Now, we will see mining. So, again same figure 8.3, mining or minerals is given. So, the first question right side, page number 54. Prepare a table of mining products and regions of the production in Brazil. So, you are supposed to prepare a table, mining products and regions of the production of Brazil. For example, manganese, if you will see in index, manganese, you can find in the near river Tocantins. So, find out that river. We can find out from the map also. Manganese, where it is concentrated. See the symbol, small blue cube it is given. So, in which area it is there? So, you are supposed to write in that area, about that area. Understood? Write the river name. Bauxite, coastline in the northeast and southeast. So, according to this mineral or the region, you are supposed to write according to the area. Understood? Now, example, iron ore, it is given in a triangle form, blue, central part and southeastern part. So, you can find out where it is given. Near Sao Paulo, it is concentrate. Coal, extreme southeastern part, coal, extreme southeastern, near that Parana river down, we can see. So, according to the minerals, you are supposed to write about the regions. Understood? Next question. In which part of Brazil has the mining activity not developed? So naturally it is Amazon river basin. What could be the reason? Deep dense forest. Understood? So this here you are supposed to think and write. Next question, considering the availability of resources, where has the development of industries occurred? So now we know that southern part of Brazil is developed. So southeast, as the availability of resources are available in plenty and are used. Understood? So you write south and southeast. Part is more developed. Development of industries are occurred or happened there. Understood? So you are supposed to observe this map and answer these questions based on agriculture and minerals. Understood?